I think it's time we did a road trip. That's what we're going to do. Tomorrow, we're heading out. Harley-Davidson's going to the wild, wild west. Each year I would have probably done 1 or 2 overseas trips because I like to get away. Whether it's a bit of an island holiday or relax or something out of the office, obviously because of COVID, lockdowns, the business needing me, and a bunch of other things going on. We haven't had that opportunity this year. So a tour around the country and rural New South Wales, and the borders are locked down, so we can't get into Queensland, obviously into Victoria and all these places. We may as well just head west and go and do some touring. We're going to do this one on the Harley. So the Road King is just getting a seat swap out now. So I'm going to be, I've just pulled the stock seat off. I'm going to be riding this guy, which is the hammock seat. And that recent ride I did in the father and son video with my son James recently was the first real test of that hammock seat. And I loved it. It was so comfortable. It was just such a great seat. So I'm going to put that on. Also, the pillion part to that seat doesn't seem to curve down as much as the stock seat. So it actually has a broader and a flatter base. Which will act as a little bit of a bench to a more secure spot to put some luggage on that seat. Set all that up now. The thing I do love about the new Harleys is the preload suspension. It's so easy to adjust. I adjusted the preload suspension. First time I'd actually really mucked around with it, but when I went on that ride with my son, the difference in the ride was amazing. When you've got the right preload, trust me, you get to know your preloads. Alright, we're all kitted up, ready to roll. Leaving a little bit later than I'd hoped. 7:30, not too bad. Weather outside. Still a little bit overcast, but I think it's going to clear up today. So, bike is geared up. Pack horse is ready. Big bad boy, little bad boy. I've got them connected right here. It's fresh. Whoa! So that's the Blue Mountains that we're heading towards. Leaving Sydney, I'm probably about 40, 50 k's from home. Just going to turn the camera around. Probably hard to see, but right there in the distance on the horizon there is the Blue Mountains. We're going to go over the top of that and over the backside and keep heading west to the wild, wild west. Apparently the story goes that these mountains are called the Blue Mountains because when you look at them from Sydney or from such a distance, they're actually blue. So a lot of thought went into that. Shitload of creativity. It's actually getting a little bit warmer as I'm getting west, which is, I thought it would actually get colder. But I got a feeling it's going to be pretty cold up in the mountains. I've really got nothing to complain about though. I mean, some of you guys all around the world, you know, you guys are snowed in for 2, 3, 4 months a year, 5 months a year. We have nothing to complain about down here. I am fully aware of that. Better than being in the office, that's for sure. Let's go. thought we'd do a temperature check. And it's saying it's 6.5 degrees, but it feels like 3.8. So that'd be a pretty fair reason why I'm freezing. Anyway. I've just pulled over. I'm at the back of Mount Victoria. And we're starting to get some sunshine and some blue sky, which is great. Very happy about that. And I just need to defrost for a minute. It is so cold. I'm going to fly the drone up here very quickly just to give you a look at where I'm at. For those of you who don't know the Blue Mountains or haven't been here before, it's an absolutely stunning part of the world, so I'm going to give you a quick look from the sky and then we'll hit the road again. And hopefully we'll just get some more blue sky as we ride on. Fuck, I'm cold. Just heading from Lithgow to Mudgee. Mudgee. It's a beautiful part of the world, Mudgee. I haven't been here for years. It's about 100 k's to go to Mudgee. I'm still freezing, we've got sunshine so I can't complain. This whole area was ravaged by bushfires as well. They did some bloody good damage, those bushfires. Time to pull in for a quick rest stop. Thaw out. Woo! Those bones thaw out. Oh. I'm having some apples, sliced apples. Just found a really cool railway crossing. I just want to go and check it out. Legendary effort, Dino. Should be able to get my hands on some 6-star resort with its own beach.